All right, CP3. So that brings us to the end of today's objective, comparing and ordering simple mixed fractions on a number line. Though we've seen three different strategies, remember to use the one you're most confident and comfortable with. So before moving on, we have our exit ticket for today's learning objective. So as we all know, your exit ticket is going to have two questions that you will need to answer. So you're going to log on to the URL that is flashed on the screen right now, which is bookwidgets/play, and you key in the code, the short code, which is WBQ68WQ. So let's log on /play and enter. So it takes you to this screen. You can see Book Widgets Interactive Learning, and it asks you to enter the short code, which is WBQ68WQ. Please note that all the alphabets are in caps, and then you click on View Widget. So it takes you to the exit slip of comparing fractions. There are two questions. Question 1, did you enjoy working in small groups today? And question 2, write one question you have about today's lesson. So in the smiley, the first one is a no, the second one is a little, and the last one is a yes. Now, this one is referring to the group activity we had earlier in the morning today. And you will notice that once you click on a smiley, it turns yellow. The question 2 is write one question you have about today's lesson. So remember to type in anything, because if you're going to submit without answering, it's going to say, please answer all questions before exiting. So maybe you can write no questions and just click on the submit button. Your name, student name is your name, and your class ID is going to be CP3. CP is going to be in caps again, and you're good to go. So that's it, children. See you.